Hi, everybody. So, you guys know from watching the channel, I love reviewing gadgets and tools. And one of my favorite things to look at is dash cams. I got the DR45 right here from Magellan. I've done a review of their DR50, and it's my favorite dash cam that I've done a review on. The DR45 is right up there with it. It's a little bit more of an affordable option, but I'm going to kind of go over what it comes in this kit, right? So the DR45 gives you a front-facing camera with a pretty large screen. So this thing, you can see that's the double sticky tape. It has the piece that slides off. This guy can go on the windshield, and then it slides onto the back of this, and then you tape it on there. You can tell it's high quality. It has 3M tape, not some cheap stuff. And then, of course, the camera itself is adjustable. You can angle it up and down. So you got lots of options that you definitely want to do before you pull this backing off and stick this in place permanently, where you can get the best view that you want to get with this camera. All right, so this is the camera that's going to be pointing this way out your windshield, and you're going to be looking at the this part right here. Right. So the power cord, this is just a simple plug it into your cigarette lighter, and this plugs into the unit to power it up. And then you have a cord, a very long cord that will connect the back or side facing mirror, depending on where you decide to put it, that will connect this one to that master unit also. And this can go behind the seat, under the carpet, or just over the carpet and under the front seat and up to that unit, whatever you want to do. The key features that I really like about the Magellan DR45 is number one is the Starvis technology. I don't know a lot about it other than the fact that it plays a role in how well it films at night. This thing has some of the best nighttime recording I've ever seen. So great at that. And the other thing I do like about it is the app support. This thing has awesome app support where you have a card in there that you can pull out and download, but you can also do that over the website or off the app. And you can take your videos, download it from the app, and do whatever you want to do on that app. So it's great app support. I'm going to put the where you can find these in the description and in the comments. So check it out. If you're looking for a dash cam, get a quality one, get one that you can download easily and that takes great quality videos. This is it. Thanks.